What is up, guys? It is Dr. Roberts, your Madison Goodlettsville Chiropractor, and I am finally coming to you with this recipe that I've been promising you guys for a long time. This is by far our favorite go-to sweet, our favorite go-to snack when it comes to keto. This is the keto peanut butter bar, and I'm telling you guys, it tastes even better than a Reese's peanut butter cup. So I'm going to show you what we're going to put into this, and then we're going to show you how to do it. Simple ingredients. Again, we're using the Lily's dark chocolate chips, sweetened with stevia. Our next ingredient is peanut butter. It's two simple ingredients when it comes to peanut butter, guys. Peanuts and salt. No extra sweeteners, no extra junk, no extra anything. Liquid stevia. Now, the recipe calls for a few drops of this, but I'm telling you what, guys, you can even do without this because this is so sweet. You have to be really careful about how much you put in. Our next ingredient, real pure vanilla extract. Don't get the fake stuff, get the real vanilla extract. Again, real butter. And our last ingredient, this is erythritol. This is going to be super sweet, and this is also powdered or the confectioner's version of erythritol. I'll link a description of this below so that you can find this easily online, but most grocery stores have this. I know we found some at Kroger, so you can go that route or you can find it online. Now, I want to dive into this a little bit more because if you look at the ingredients on the back, it may be a little bit confusing if you're kind of new to keto. If you go down here on the carbs, it says 12 grams of carbs, but you have to keep reading. Dietary fiber, 0. Total sugars, 0. Sugar, alcohol, 12 grams. So when you're taking your macros into consideration for keto, remember you have to subtract your fiber grams and also your sugar alcohol. Those do not count towards your total carbs. So this total carbs of 12, sugar alcohol is 12, 0 net carbs, guys. So this stuff is good to go for keto. All right, that's about it. That's all the ingredients for our favorite peanut butter bar. Let's show you how to make it right now. All right, so let's go over the ingredients of these awesome keto peanut butter bars. The first thing that you're going to use is a half a cup or basically 1 stick of butter, and you may need to soften that up in the microwave. The other ingredient that we're going to be using is a cup of peanut butter. There. We are also going to be using 1 cup of confectioners erythritol, 1/8 of a teaspoon of liquid stevia, which basically is just going to be a couple of drops. You don't want to use too much of that because that stuff is super sweet. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, real vanilla extract. And the last ingredient is 3.5 ounces of dark chocolate, Lily's chocolate chips. So those are your ingredients, and now we're going to show you how to make it. All right, so once you have all of the ingredients mixed into the bowl, you're just going to take a spatula and mix those up really well until all the ingredients are mixed nicely together. All right, and once you get all the ingredients mixed up, now you're going to get an 8x8 or a 9x9 pan. And what you want to do is take some coconut oil spray and spray that in the pan. Get it nice and covered. And then once you do that, then you just add the mixture into the pan. And you're going to put that in the fridge and give that a few minutes to set. All right, and once you've had the peanut butter in the freezer for about 10 minutes, the next thing you're going to do is melt the chocolate. And once the chocolate is nice and melted, just take a spoon or a spatula, and you're just going to drizzle that all across the top of the peanut butter. Now, you got to be careful because the chocolate is hot and the peanut butter is cold. So you need to do this as quickly as you can, or it's going to get more difficult as time goes on. So try to make this a pretty quick process. All right, so our peanut butter bars are ready, and I have a super special guest here that's going to help me do some taste testing. You ready, Drew? All right, so here's yours. Or grab yours right there.
Ooh, it's hard.
Here, you take this one. You take a bite. I'll take a bite.
The peanut butter is good, but the chocolate is like so cold it freezes my mouth.
It's so cold it freezes your mouth. But are they good? They taste good? Are they Drew approved? Can we get a big thumbs up? Big thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Keto approved, Dr. Roberts approved, and Drew approved. Guys, we'll see you next time. Whew, that peanut butter really sticks to your mouth. God bless.